Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Clear Ornaments is probably one of the most versatile and creative craft supplies you can find, perfect for unleashing your imagination during holidays or any time of the year. And in this video, we will explore the top picks and help you find the perfect ones to match your crafting style and project needs, ensuring that your creations stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Christmas Ornament Balls. These ornaments are perfect for your creative projects. Fill them with ribbons, candy, photos, or anything you like to create personalized decorations. They're easy to open, fill, and close. Each ball has a hanging loop for simple attachment. Use them for Christmas, birthdays, or even as molds for homemade bath bombs. The possibilities are endless. Made of high-quality material, they have a luxurious look without the worry of breakage. Simply change the contents to match your decor. You get 20 balls in total, each measuring 3.94 inches or 10 centimeters. They come in 4 convenient packs. What we like? It's incredibly easy to use. You can fill it with various items and use it in many ways. If you are looking for versatile and reusable ornaments for multiple occasions, this is a great choice. It's perfect for crafting personalized decorations for Christmas, birthdays, or any celebration. What people say. These were packaged well and are pretty good quality. I used these to protect some very old glass ornaments that were my grandmother's. Now I have them secured in these, so they can hang inside the ball and have an extra layer of protection. These made perfect gifts for my daughter's class. We put mini dinosaurs in them with candy. They were a big hit. Number 4. Uten 20 PCS Fillable Ornaments. These ornaments easily separate into 2 halves, allowing you to fill them with anything you like. A convenient hook makes hanging them simple. Get creative. Fill them with ribbons, candy, photos. The possibilities are endless. They're perfect for school projects or holiday crafts. Made from a durable plastic, these ornaments are lightweight yet strong, preventing any accidental breakage. Hang them with confidence. Use them year after year. Simply change the contents to match your theme. Perfect for weddings, holidays, or any celebration. Each of the 20 ornaments measures 3.94 inches in diameter, the perfect size for a variety of creative uses and displays. Remember, there are 20 A halves and 20 B halves. Make sure to pair an A with a B to create a complete ornament. What we like? They are shatterproof and lightweight, making them safe and easy to handle. If you need durable and lightweight ornaments for your Christmas tree, this is the one for you. Its easy-to-use design makes decorating a breeze, even for kids. What people say. These ornaments fit together easily and were well packed so there was no damage. They are easy to fill and decorate. We change the decorations each month fit the holiday, and these are perfect for changing the color and theme. We just open them up and change the stuffing. Number 3. DIY Ornament Balls. These clear ornaments easily separate into 2 parts, allowing you to fill them with anything you like. A convenient hook makes hanging them simple. Get creative. Fill them with ribbons, candy, photos, or anything else to make unique ornaments. The possibilities are endless for any occasion. Made from a durable plastic, they're lightweight yet strong, preventing breakage and making them safe for hanging. Use them again and again. They're perfect for various occasions, from weddings to holidays, and you can easily change the contents to match your theme. Each of the 20 ornaments measures 3.15 inches in diameter, and they come with gold cords for easy hanging. They're the perfect size for all your creative projects. What we like? These ornaments are shatterproof and lightweight, perfect for families with children. If you prioritize safety and ease of use, this is a great option. The lightweight design makes them easy to hang on the tree without causing damage. What people say. Bought these to do a growth ornament for the foster kids party and they worked great. Use them in other ways as well. Check out ideas on crafting sites. Can make them glitter ornaments without the shedding mess, marble them, and I've even seen people do pictures in them. Would definitely buy again. These are perfect for crafting your own ornaments. They are durable and easy to use. I was shocked when these ornaments were delivered. I was expecting a much larger box, but they arrived already separated in half, which took up much less room. I purchased them to paint and give as Christmas gifts to friends and family. All of them arrived without any visible flaws, no cracks or bubbles. Easy to store before using. I would definitely purchase these again. Number 2. Koogel Christmas Balls. These versatile ornaments are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your holiday decor. They're also great for crafting unique keepsakes. You'll receive 20 clear, Fillable ornaments, ready to be customized. It's everything you need to get started. Made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, these ornaments are durable and reusable. They're easy to open, fill, and close securely. Use them for weddings, parties, or general home decor. They look stunning in windows, on fireplaces, or anywhere you choose. Each ball measures 3 inches in diameter, making them ideal for various spaces. A small ring makes hanging them a breeze. These Fillable ornaments are perfect for DIY projects. Fill them with ribbons, beads, or other trinkets to create personalized keepsakes. What we like. Made of high-quality, non-toxic plastic, it's durable and reusable. If you're looking for high-quality, versatile ornaments for various events and settings, this is an excellent choice. The perfect size makes them suitable for many decorative purposes. What people say. Quality was durable. Just like Easter eggs, sometimes you will have to find the right half to make the sphere snap properly. Add a piece of clear tape to keep it together. They were very easy for my first graders to use and they turned out super cute. They are very clear quality, snap together easily but also stay together without issue. They are a good size for inserting decor and writing on. They are perfect for the project I'm doing. I would buy them again without hesitation. Number 1. Okuna Outpost Clear Ornaments. These clear ornaments are perfect for DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild and create unique decorations. Fill them with confetti, charms, or anything you like. They're ideal for Christmas, parties, or any special occasion. Made from durable plastic, these ornaments are easy to open and close. They're built to last. Simply open them, add your embellishments, and close them securely. It's that simple. Each ornament measures 3.15 inches, making them versatile for various crafting needs. This pack includes 24 ornaments, giving you plenty to work with for all your creative projects. What we like. It's perfect for unleashing your creativity and making unique ornaments. If you enjoy DIY projects and want high-quality materials, this is ideal. Use them to create personalized keepsakes for any occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.